So we've got our problem where the labels have fallen off our urns. We know how many blue balls are in each urn, and we know that the remainder of those balls are yellow. So we want to pick a random urn and work out the probability that that urn is actually urn 1. Now, this is the problem expressed as a tree diagram. And this is the same problem expressed in terms of area, where areas represent probability. This is the universe of all possible things that could happen. Either we're in urn 1 or we're in urn 2. And these sections represent how many of each colored ball are in each urn. Now, we know the probability of having urn 1 if we just pick an urn at random, i.e. there's no other evidence, it's just a 50-50 chance. If you don't know anything else, then that's all we know, that's all we can go off. So we're going to draw a ball. It's a yellow ball. Now we have some evidence. Now we can say, what is the probability of urn 1 given that we've drawn a yellow ball? Now, drawing a yellow ball shrinks our world down. It shrinks this universe. It restricts us to these two subsections, so section A and section B, which means when we're considering our probabilities, we only need to consider what happens in here. So now, the size of the restricted universe is A plus B. And if we want to work out what proportion A is, we just turn it into a fraction, A over A plus B. Or another way to say that is A divided by A plus B. Now, the area of A is 0.13, and the area of B is 0.31. So A plus B which gives us 0.13 over 0.44. Cool. And that's our probability of us having urn 1, given that we've drawn a yellow ball expressed as a fraction. We can stick that in our calculator. 0.295. Or another way to say that is 29.5%. Another way to think of this is that A is 29.5% of the size of the entire universe we're restricted to. What happens if we were to draw a blue ball? Well, we still have this, but now we want to know the probability of urn 1, given that we have a blue ball this time. This is the new evidence. Now we're going to pretend that we never saw that. We're going to pretend our first ball was a blue ball. So what if we had drawn a blue ball as our first piece of evidence? Well, that would be, we're interested in this area. What is the probability that we ended up here? So that is C over the universe, the possible universe that we could be in, which is C plus D. So we have 0.5 times 0.74, which is 0.37. Obviously use a calculator if you need to. 0.37 plus D, which is 0.19. That times that, which, let's put it in the calculator, 0.66. with some other stuff in the end. Oops. 0.66, 0.714, blah, 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 etc. You can just round it down to just 0.66, which is the same as 66%, which is this.